Hello, classmates, and Doc Mel Rovi Velasco here. And as part of Section B, Group 1, here's part 2 of our social marketing component for ABLE campaign. So, for our marketing mix, using the 4 Ps product, price, promotion, and place of marketing, ABLE will have the following marketing mix. So for product, in this context, ABLE campaign's product is inclusive education given to differently abled students and support to the parents and various support groups. So our product also highlights specialized education with adaptive teaching methods and environments tailored to children on the spectrum. In terms of price, the pricing strategy of ABLE would mainly focus on giving free and easy access to inclusive education. So the campaign will look closely into the following cost factors. So the first pricing strategy will be for promotional materials or online offers to boost ABLE campaign, which will delve more into digital creation. So labor will be free as this online promotional content will be done voluntarily as long as the campaign branding is intact. So online results will be monitored and evaluated. The second will be voluntary in situations that might need in-person meetings, meaning there will be travel or commute cost involved to meet the representatives or the collaborators of the campaign. This will also apply to using hub spaces for online meetings. Um, the third will involve partnerships and collaborations with organizations and other institutions where branding content will be disseminated for their use in helping to promote the ABLE campaign. So the organizations and institutions will cover the expenses that the collaborators will use to advertise on their end. The fourth pricing strategy will be using free social media features through sharing. So in summary, volunteer work will be highlighted in this campaign. Um, In terms of place, ABLE campaign will be done online and offline to ensure that the intended audience from first to fourth category will be reached, also in consideration of the audience segment from urban and rural areas in the Philippines. So some components of the campaign will take place online using digital media platforms like Facebook, X, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. ABLE campaign materials will be predominantly circulated online. So the other components of the ABLE campaign will take place offline, considering, of course, the local schools, community centers, and volunteer or advocacy group partnerships. So campaign events like training for parents and educators, the open discussion, seminars, and mobile outreach programs will also be executed offline. In terms of promotion, the promotion strategy for our campaign will use a mix of emotional appeal, an educational approach to behavior change, and community engagement. So social media will be utilized for the campaign and storytelling content. So our campaign, ABLE campaign, will also seek partnerships with the special needs community organizations and educational institutions. So the following communication interventions will be done by the ABLE campaign. Um, our campaign will also carry the key message of I am able and will use the hashtags hashtag I am able, hashtag beyond limits, and hashtag unstoppable when posting across social media platforms. So for our content strategies, we categorize it into four. So first we have the visual content. So we have video storytelling and testimonials. We have posters, promotional GIF, and short PSAs. So for video storytelling and testimonials, ABLE campaign will share real life stories of children with special needs, including their families and the current school situation. This is to highlight their daily struggles, their simple victories, and their stories of hope within the context of education. So the video will take on an emotional approach and authenticity. Next, we have the posters, which I'll try to show some studies later. Posters will also be created and cascaded in targeted schools and local communities within Metro Manila and Region 4A before expanding into other regions. So the poster will focus on the key message of inclusivity and highlight community engagement. Um, so branding from the poster will also be the basis of the Facebook frames that we'll do so audiences can recognize it quickly. So the poster's colorway will be bright, fun, and eye-catching colors to encourage positivity and give the differently abled students and the parents a sense of belonging and empowerment. Um, we also have, again, promotional GIF and public service announcements. So a promotional GIF will give a concise idea of the campaign to catch the attention of the target audiences quickly. A short PSA will also be produced with a message to support inclusion and embrace diversity among students within the spectrum. So it will feature the campaign's catchphrase, I am able, and will use its official hashtags to show that every student has unique strengths and abilities. And with the right support and guidance from the right people, an inclusive classroom environment is possible. Next, we have partnerships. So we have, of course, ambassadors, partner advocacy groups, support volunteer organizations, educational and mental institutions. So the campaign will reach out to public figures and influencers with personal hands-on experience and who are passionate to support children and students who are in the spectrum. So ABLE campaign will tap Michelle D, who is also an advocate of autism awareness, and as the Goodwill Ambassador for the Autism Society of the Philippines, Michelle D has been an advocate and strong supporter also of mental health education and autism awareness since then. So she will appear on events, seminars, and volunteer works as a guest and or guest speaker. And she will also take part in video promotions that our campaign will produce to spread the campaign's message and objective. For partner advocacy groups, ABLE will collaborate with advocacy groups that are already existing and have already been doing efforts to support inclusive education and disability rights. So ABLE campaign's approach would be in the form of co-creating video contents and materials online and offline. So the goal is to merge and widen the audience of the partner advocacy group and of course our campaign to boost visibility. So Philippine Mental Health Association, PMHA, UNICEF Philippines, Alliance of Concerned Teachers, ACT Philippines, and IMU, also known as Inclusion Initiative, will be the target advocacy groups that ABLE campaign will team up with. Next, we have educational and mental institutions. So to further strengthen support, visibility, and structural impact, ABLE will work hand in hand with educational and mental institutions, particularly the Department of Education and Commission on Higher Education, to collaborate with schools and universities around Metro Manila. Other government Other government bodies, specifically the National Council on Disability Affairs or the NCDA, Department of Social Welfare and Development, DSWD, and the National Center for Mental Health, NCMH, will also be reached for possible tie-ups. Next, for events, we have seminars, conferences, workshops, and other offline activities. So for seminars, it will be held across schools and universities in Metro Manila in partnership with our partner government bodies and tie-up advocacy groups. This will be an organized educational event to educate the students, the teachers, and parents about having a disability amongst children and students, and to encourage and promote acceptance. Conferences, this will also be conducted in universities around Metro Manila with available large venues like university auditoriums, covering several broad topics on special needs, awareness, like um, innovative strategies also to support children and students with special needs. Next, we have our workshops also. So it will also take place on seminars to involve firsthand experience. Um, ABLE campaign will involve participants in activities or workshop sessions, which will underscore the need for tailored strategies to support those on the spectrum. For our other offline activities, this will be reserved for collaborative events for our potential partners and collaborators. So next is community engagement. So we have community events with counseling sessions and in-kind support or fundings or sponsorships or contributions. So Programs will be held in communities after permission from the Punong Barangay and LGU is obtained. So free counseling sessions will enhance awareness among parents with special needs children after lecture programs to introduce our cause, our campaign's cause, and why it is essential to have an early assessment. So field experts will also be invited to lead these counseling sessions and facilitate community-based talks and discussions or in-kind support or fundings or sponsorships, again, as part of our community engagement efforts. Small schools across the Philippines with limited resources, particu- particularly those serving learners with special needs, will receive in-kind support, sponsorships, and contributions. So these may include learning materials specifically designed for children on the spectrum, along with other essential resources that are typically out of their reach. So the program will initially launch in select small schools within Metro Manila and will gradually expand to other regions across the country. Um, so here are our sample promotional materials. We have here the seminar invite and counseling session invite. We also have here our community engagement poster, in-kind support sponsorship posters, and our sample posters. So these artworks, these promotional materials will be also in the Google Drive link uploaded by our group mate. So please check out the Google Drive link for other promotional campaign materials that we have for our campaign ABLE. So for our community communication plan matrix, ABLE campaign will be implemented from January to December 2026 in consideration of specific activities and national events. We have National Mental Health Month, National Children's Month. This is to ensure that societal influences and communication interventions will be maintained. So detailed here in this table are the planned activities. So you can pause this video to check out like what quarter we are, we are planning to put the activities. That is it for me. Thank you for staying with me. And again, all our materials will be in the Google Drive link, so you can check that out for our still materials and moving materials. So thank you very much.